Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are fine with the grace of the Almighty God. Maybe this is not good morning to you. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Okay, if you are watching in which time, so I hope that you are watching everyone this video. And those who did not understand in live classes, to them also I welcome, because this is the recorded video. So you can see that the chapter we are going to start is from the geography part, and our page number is 107. I hope that you are ready with your chapter. Take page number 107. You can get chapter 1 of geography part, and our topic of the chapter is Earth in the solar system. Okay, so I hope that everyone is ready with your book. What we are going to learn in this chapter or video is that evolution of the universe. Okay, that is complete change of the universe we are going to learn. So constituents of the universe we are going to learn, constituents of the solar system we are going to learn, conditions that we make the Earth a unique planet. But before going to start our chapter, there is a chapter technique is there we will do. That is the first step to study the chapter. Okay, the first step to study the chapter is that you have to go outside of your house at night. Okay, at night you have to go outside of your room. Okay, and go and look on the sky and think of that sky. Have you ever wondered how the stars twinkle? Okay, you will notice that some stars twinkle while some do not. Okay, yeah, so some stars from a shape also, there are different shape also there, and some the shape of the moon, okay, changes every day. Do you know the reason behind all these things happening in the sky? So discuss in class. Okay, now you cannot discuss in class, but you can think. Okay, in the live class also you can discuss, right? For this reason you have to be present in the live classes in order to discuss the issues if you have doubt or something. So now we are going to learn about the let us find the answer to the above questions which are there, which I have already told you, and we will know about the such reasons that they are in the chapter. Okay, so the universe, if you say about the universe, then the universe is the heavenly body. Okay, you may think about the universe and how the universe has created. There is a universe created with the help of the big explosion was there. Okay, there was a big explosion was there. For this reason universe was created. Okay, the sun, the moon, and the stars that we see in the sky are called celestial bodies. Okay, these are called the celestial bodies, which are also called the universe, means heavenly bodies. Whatever you see on the sky, whatever you see on the sky, the sun, the moon, and the earth, the stars you see, okay, whatever you see in the sky, that all are celestial body. These are also called what? Heavenly body. You can see they are the important part of the universe. Without sun, can you imagine? No, cannot imagine. We cannot get the light. As a light is very important to us, more important for the life on the earth, because without light of the sun, the heat of the sun, plants cannot survive. Okay, plants cannot live. For this reason the light and the heat of the sun is very important factor for us, right? So they are the part of the universe. The universe is also a vast space which is believed to be formed with the big explosion, okay, known as a Big Bang theory. So already I have told that there was a millions or the trillions of the years ago, there was a very big explosion was there. For this reason this explosion was so strong that the small particles of the explosion went here and there. Okay, and there was very millions and trillions of the gases also was there that came together, and there was different planets was formed. Later on it took so many years, okay, when this took a shape. Okay, this small particles was formed. Okay, the atoms was formed, it was took a shape. Later on this only formed what? Planets. Okay, we are having so many planets there. Okay, so according to this theory, the universe was formed nearly about 13.8 billion years ago. Okay, when a huge burning ball of the fire consisting the matter such as the gases, dust particles, and other elements exploded with the Big Bang. Okay, now you see, for the reference I will be showing you, or I will be giving you one Big Bang theory video which from the YouTube only, and like animation video, which will help you to understand the Big Bang theory. Otherwise you will be thinking what is Big Bang theory, right? So this is called what? Big Bang theory. Okay, the Big Bang theory you will get the YouTube in the YouTube also you will get a video. If you can search and if you can watch, then that is also good. Otherwise I will also can give you a video to you, right? Due to this explosion, all the matters from it was thrown out of it a great force in all the directions. So what happened due to the very biggest explosion was there? What happened in this explosion? Only all the matters which was scattered here and there, it went here and there, okay, and it formed it took a shape, and as a result today we have a planets. So the tiny planets grouped together, it came together and formed atoms. Now what is atom? The smallest particles is called what? Atoms, which are the smallest particles of the elements matter, is called matter. Smallest particles of the element matter is called atoms, okay. Then these atoms came together to form what? Galaxies. When these small articles or the small particles came together, you may heard articles, but it is not articles, it is particles, okay. The small particles, when the smallest particle which came together and as it formed what? Atoms are formed, okay. And there are billions of the galaxies in the universe. Each galaxy is a huge collection of the gas, dust, billions of the stars along with the solar system. There are so many galaxies are there, okay. So what is galaxy? Galaxy consists of the Milky Way, which you can see in the page number 108, which you can see that this is a what called, this is a Milky Way. So I hope that you have understood the first part of the chapter explanation of the introduction of the chapter. If you think that I am speaking too fast, then you can request me, you can call me up, or I will give you a re-explanation again. So I hope that everybody is watching the video. Don't skip anything, just watch it, and each and everything in the detail you watch. If you skip the video, then you cannot understand what I will say next, or what I will explain you the next, right? So next topic is what about? The first introduction topic is over. So next we are going to start about the stars, right? So we are going to start about the stars. Stars are the celestial bodies, okay, which are also called the heavenly bodies. So like the sun is also a star. The sun is the biggest star in the universe, okay. So which are made up of the hot gases which are produce their own heat, light, are called stars. As we know that the stars has their own light, okay. For this one reason only, for this definition only, the star has their own light, the moon is not a star, okay. We may think that people are thinking that a moon is star. No, moon a star? No, moon is not a star, because moon does not have their own light, okay. Moon does not have their own light. It takes the light of the sun and it gives the reflection to the earth. As a result, we are getting the light of the sun at night also, okay. So the sun that we see in the sky is one of the among the billions of the stars as in the galaxy called Milky Way. In the Hindi it is also called Akash Ganga, okay. The Milky Way is also called Akash Ganga. The stars seen from the earth during the night are the other stars in the Milky Way. They appear so small because they are very far away from the earth. They are main sources of the heat and light of the planet. So what the stars do? The stars is the main source of the heat and light for all the planets, not only our, okay. So the star is the main sources of the heat and light for all the planets. So as we know about the stars near now, just for the revision part, I am asking you that do you have any doubt or something? If you have doubt or something, you can message me also, you can call me up also. And one more thing, that the chapter, that previous chapter, that is chapter number 3, I was teaching you in the what called this history part. So the question answers will be given to you shortly, and you can get it and you can write from the WhatsApp only. So I hope that you are studying well in your house. So next topic will be our constellation, okay. Constellation is real. Constellation is like construction, you can say. Constellation is what? Is a type of a construction of the house, construction of the building, construction of the this. So it is not the construction of the house or construction of the building, construction of the imagination, you can say. Imagination means just thinking power, you can say. We can help ourselves that things, like for example, you have to imagine that these things are there, but do they really exist? No. In the real image they will not be existed, but in a just a imagination we will think that they are there, okay. So this is about the imagination. This is about the means constellation, about the imagination. With the imagination we will do what? Construction, okay. So the now you may think in your, for example, I am saying like you everybody has a mobile phone with you. With the mobile phone only you are watching me. So nowadays mobile phone came with the that is superpowers, like looking the face camera is there, looking the face and unlock is there, that is using the camera to open the lock. Also there is a fingerprint lock is there. There was also pattern log is also there, that is like shape you are writing, shape you are forming, okay, that there is dots are there. Yes, you know na, that there are dots are there. I hope that you are responding to me. And with the help of the dots only, when we draw the correct pattern, when our pattern is matched, then what happens, our phone becomes unlocked. Maybe your parents are changing you for you only, that you are trying to play games, watch the videos. For this reason your parents are changing daily the pattern lock, they are setting the pattern lock, but you are coming to know about it. How much they will change, then also you are coming to know about it, because you are very clever, right? So this is called what, this pattern forming or doing this one, what, these are all in imagination. Okay, is the pattern which is in the phone is in real? No, it is not there in the real, but we are doing what, with our imagination we are forming the pattern. Okay, this is about the constellation. We will study in this chapter about the constellation in the detail. Okay, so there are many constellation are there, like Ursa Major is there. Okay, polar, great polar is there. Okay, polar reasons, that is great polar is there. So what does pattern do, or what does constellation do? The question is this, right? So you may think that why this constellation is required, why this topics is required, because constellation is very important to us. Why the constellation is very important, you know, because with the help of the constellation we can find the directions. There is a pointer, there is a starting and ending of the constellation. Like for example, you went in the forest and you are lost, and it became night and you cannot find your way. Sun also will rise after 6 hours or 7 hours. Okay, sun will rise after 6 or 7, or it will take more than 10 hours to rise, or sun will not rise also. Whole day will remain like black because rain will come. Clouds, due to clouds you cannot say. So how you will find your directions, or how you can go your home? If you lost in forest, suppose it is a night, then you need to see on the sky. Okay, you need to do the constellation. Okay, this constellation help us to find the directions. With the constellation we can do what, we can find the direction, which part to go, which part not to go. Okay, this is what all about the constellation. So the group of the stars that appears to the form a pattern is called, the sky is called constellation. When this all the stars form a group and they will form a one pattern, which is like your mobile phone pattern, is like a constellation. Okay, so there are 88 constellations in the sky. So how many constellations are there in the sky? There are total number of the 88 constellations are the sky. Some of the constellation which is mentioned in your book are Ursa Major, Big Dipole, then or the Great Bear, or one of them. It is called the Saptarishi in India. Okay, this constellation is called what? Saptarishi in India. It is just depend upon the imagination power. Okay, so there are 7 stars in the constellation which are form the shape of the big spoon are there. So big spoon, like for example here you can see the big spoon. Okay, you can see the big spoon here, which is had a starting point also, which is forming the triangle there, and it is going here and it is showing this direction. Okay, means you have to run towards the north direction. It will always be facing to the north direction. Okay, north pole. As the compass is there, is the face facing to the north direction. So this is also like a working like a compass only. Okay, so I think that I am explaining very fast now, but I hope that you are understanding. If you are did not understand, then please tell me. Okay, if you did not understand, then so now we are in the. So there are 88 constellations in the sky, as I have told you, Ursa Major is there, Big Dipper is there, or Great Bear is one of them. It is also called as Saptarishi in India. So there are 7 stars in the constellation, which is the shape is a big spoon, which I have showed you right now. The 2 stars at the end at the constellation are the pointers. I told you, right? The 2 stars at the end of the constellation are the what? They are called the pointers. They will be always be pointing. Okay. So the other famous constellation are Ursa Major, that is Ursa Minor, Orion, Scorpius, Hydra. These all are, but among them, as I know, okay, as when I did the constellation, it was in class 8, and I used to do the constellation in my Scout and Guide classes, and that the constellation was a very important part. Okay, so the constellation help us to do the find the direction during that time. So the constellation will help us, like Scorpion is there. So students, the video got interrupted in between, but no problem, our interruption cannot stop us. So what is there? The other famous constellations are there, Ursa Minor, then Orion, Scorpius, and Hydra is there. So did you know is there? That is also important for us to learn. That is, light travels at the speed of nearly, you can say how much it is speed, that it is given nearly 3 lakh, right? Yes, 3 lakh kilometer per seconds. So the speed of the light is very fast, right? And the speed of the light is this much fast that the which travel faster, the light travel faster or the sound travel faster. Like for example, the thunderstorm is there. Okay, you may often heard that thunderstorm, especially at night. Maybe you are scared of it and you are going and sleeping with your parents. So the thunderstorm, which you are listening faster, the light will come faster or the sound will come faster. Even you have to say that light will come faster, then the sound will come. Okay, so by the light it called the light year, right? And Andromeda galaxy is the coldest mature galaxy of the earth. It lies in the 2.5 million light years away from the earth. Now next, this explanation has been completed, and our second part of the video will be covering the solar system. I hope that I will meet you very soon in the class, and also this pandemic situation will go away. But if I cannot meet you, I hope that I can see you in the live classes. Be present in the live classes. I hope that you will attend the live classes very sincerely by keeping quiet. Will not make noise, but if you have doubt or something, you are always free to ask us. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.